Hello and welcome back to One on One by TB. Today we have a guest speaker जिन्होंने अपनी corporate job के साथ साथ जो उनकी job थी उसको एक passion में turn कर लिया है and what he is doing is something which is very hip, cool and trending today आजकल के ज़माने के अंदर and it's something which he's going to tell himself. So hi Faraz.
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
थैंक यू
कैसे हैं आप?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ थैंक यू फॉर द जनरस इंट्रोडक्शन
You are most welcome. So मैंने इतनी curiosity build कर दी है तुम्हारी तो अब तुम खुद ही बता दो who you are and what do you do.
ओके सो नाम तो मेरा पता चल ही गया फराज आई एम बेसिकली द ब्रांड मैनेजर हियर एट नोमैड कॉफी स्टूडियो and yeah, I mean, I have fun here. I drink coffee. I get to meet a lot of cool people, my colleagues, new customers, clients, all of it. So yeah, it's fun.
So Nomad जो आप बता रहे हैं, it's basically a coffee studio.
Yeah, so Nomad is definitely a coffee studio. It's not a coffee shop. It's
Okay.
not a coffee roastery. I mean, even though we do roast coffee, but
Yeah.
we don't want to be defined by like कि यार हम
Coffee shop है.
हाँ or now we're not just like कि हम roastery, हम top roastery. We're not gonna say that. We're gonna
Okay.
be like we're a studio. We're ever changing. We are fluid. We go
Okay.
where the flow takes us, and yeah, that's
Amazing, that's amazing. So आज हमें काफी ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग नॉलेज मिलने वाली है अबाउट कॉफी रोस्टरी एंड कॉफी स्टूडियोज के बारे में विच आर वेरी मच डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अ कॉफी शॉप दैट यू नॉर्मली गो टू राइट
yeah.
एंड आई वुड लव टू नो कि कमिंग इनटू दिस इंडस्ट्री was this like a deliberate choice या फिर तुम was it something which you grew into.
So I think my introduction with Nomad was not deliberate at all.
Okay.
I applied for a job and I got an interview and I एक इंटरव्यू हुआ था मेरा हमारे सीईओ थे फैसल शम्स खान एंड आवर बिजनेस मैनेजर आरिफ
सही है.
सर आरिफ जो है एंड आई हैड सो इन माय इंटरव्यू आई हैड अ स्मॉल कप ऑफ कॉफी
ठीक है.
एंड मैं इससे पहले भी कॉफी पीता रहा हूँ बट
हम्म.
इंस्टेंट कॉफी पीता हूँ या अगर बाहर से कहीं से ले रहे हैं तो
सही है.
all of that. So I had that cup of coffee, and when I was driving back from here,
Yeah.
that caffeine hit me, and I was just like
ये
एक
क्या
एक
हुआ
मेरे
है?
दिमाग का segment एक ऐसा
Yeah.
खुला था जो मुझे पता नहीं था exist करता है. And then
अच्छा.
it was in that moment that I knew I had to be here, even though it was something I've not done before.
Okay.
I've not been in food and beverage before.
Okay.
I've worked in basically software houses. I've worked in fashion apparel brands, mein,
Okay.
but never in food and beverage, especially not in coffee. But I love drinking coffee, and when I came here, it was a no-brainer, and I was like,
That you want.
yeah, I'm definitely gonna be here. Yeah.
That's a pretty amazing journey. इसके अंदर हम definitely अभी deep dive करेंगे and you will get to know more कि तुम once you were here तो तुमने क्या क्या सीखने को मिला
Yeah, Lord.
and a coffee passionate lover के लिए to be in this industry and know so much about it he's gonna share a lot of things. So as I told you earlier कि हम nomad की journey के अंदर जाते हैं. So for people who do not understand and know what coffee studios are, can you tell us a little bit about that कि क्या होते हैं?
So, coffee studio in itself is a name that I mean, studio का नाम जब भी किसी भी brand के साथ आता है,
Yeah.
a lot of experimentation and a lot of
Yeah.
free formity I feel like is included in that.
Okay.
So, the purpose of Nomad Coffee Studio or the name is we're not just a roastery, we're not just a consultancy services for
Yes.
coffee shops,
Okay.
cafes, all of that. We're not just an e-commerce store, we don't just cater to the customers who want to brew at home or buy
ठीक
beans
है.
or equipment
सही
या
है.
किसी coffee shop के लिए. And we're not just मतलब basically we're not in a box that
Okay.
contains us कि यार हम यही करते हैं और हम
बस
यही
यही है.
yeah, we don't do that. We do raves in this roastery.
I've seen that.
Yeah, we have trainings in this roastery. Most
Okay.
importantly, I think जो हमारा segment है, which is like training,
Okay.
and that includes like baristas, coffee shops के और
ठीक है.
अगर आप घर पे कॉफी बना रहे हो, आपको सीखनी है, बेहतर करनी है, कुछ नया सीखना है.
अच्छा.
We do all of that
So
as
you
well.
train normal people as well जिनको अपने घर पे सिर्फ कॉफी बनाना
Yeah, yeah,
सीखना है
yeah.
या part
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल yeah.
अच्छा.
We
That's
train
amazing.
we train already trained baristas like freshen up on their skills.
अच्छा.
या अगर किसी को from scratch barista बनना है वो भी सिखाते हैं.
सही है.
And then अगर आप मुझे आगे कहते हो कि यार मुझे घर पे कॉफी बनानी है मुझे सीखनी है. So we are gonna help you A to Z equipment में beats में
जबरदस्त.
and actually the practice itself.
So you guys are basically the supply chain for everything.
Yeah, when it
चाहे
comes to coffee, yeah, A to Z, I think I would say.
सारे covered in there. I'm sure you guys probably have a lot of coffee shops on your plate as well.
Yes, yes, बिल्कुल, yeah.
ठीक है, ठीक
There are
है.
like just to name one, I think Rock Coffee in Karachi is known
Is
by all.
one of your
Yeah,
okay,
बिल्कुल,
that's
absolutely.
pretty amazing. So now that we have defined कि coffee studios होते क्या हैं, like roastery होती है, their supply chain, there's training, a big part is training of
Yeah,
that,
yeah.
and a lot of more things जिस तरह हमने rave वगैरह plan
Yeah,
की,
बिल्कुल,
सारी
it's
सारी चीजें.
very.
So can you define Nomad specifically कि Nomad की क्या identity है, what does it stand for, and what is its philosophy क्या है?
So if you look at the word nomad itself, right? अगर उसकी उर्दू translation करो,
Yeah.
it's खाना बदोश, right?
Yes.
It's a person who's always traveling, who's
Yes.
never in one spot. And nomad का essence यही है कि we go where the flow takes us. We're
Okay.
not always going to be stuck in the old ways. Yeah. 1980s में कॉफी ऐसे बनती थी तो हम
Yeah.
ऐसे ही करेंगे
ठीक है.
या फिर अभी लोग ये कर रहे हैं तो हम ये
हाँ.
करेंगे. We're gonna go with what naturally comes to us.
Okay.
So nomadic in nature, nomadic by work, we're all of that.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean, I would say that's what it is. Like
That's pretty much what you guys
yeah,
stand for.
that's what we stand for. We're not fixed in one place because we move around. We are always mobile. We're always doing everything, and at the same time, people be like, "यार, काफी दिनों से post नहीं है, क्या कर रहे हैं?" And then
अच्छा.
bam, it's gonna be something like
Something
really
different.
Yeah, so we're always like
So
moving.
the community that you guys want to be affiliated with and all of that, वो क्या है?
So honestly, the community is going to be all coffee lovers. It
Makes
can
sense.
be coffee shop owners,
Yeah.
entrepreneurs, coffee drinkers,
Yeah.
घर पे बनाने वाले,
Mhm.
yeah, anyone who just wants a good vibe and a cup of coffee in his hand.
Yeah.
That's what we aim for. Like
100%. I believe coffee is the most trending thing which I have seen nowadays. Like आपको bread से पहले कॉफी चाहिए होती है, आप चाय पे बैठने की बजाय ज़्यादा कॉफी ट्रेंड आ गए, लोग कॉफी शॉप्स पे जा रहे होते हैं. So it's definitely a growing field and we need to have more understanding and knowledge for it. Like ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ अंधाधुंध तो करनी नहीं चाहिए ना. So I think that's what you guys are here for.
yeah, no, absolutely. You're absolutely right. And it's not so usually with information, people are like, यार मुझे सब आता है, इसको कुछ नहीं आता. And you get a lot of those people in everything.
Yeah.
But in coffee, what we like to do is
Yeah.
make it like a blue ocean and not a red ocean.
सही है.
We want to be like our information is public. You can learn from us, about us, and go, अपनी knowledge level को increase करके and then you educate more people instead of being like this is mine.
Yeah.
And आप Gollum नहीं बन जाओ from Lord of the Rings. You're like friendly with the information. Yeah.
You're not hiding it and just
Yeah.
makes
बिल्कुल.
sense,
It's
makes
all
sense.
about.
And that's very noble and interesting to do as well. Now that we've talked about Nomad and the coffee studios, अब थोड़ा सा हम understanding लेते हैं कि coffee itself होती क्या है, कैसे बनती है, क्या चीज़ है coffee जिसके पीछे सब लोग इतने पागल हैं, right? So let's get into that. And my next question for that would be, what is the biggest misconception that Pakistanis have about coffee?
So I think one of the biggest misconception, though actually that I'm going to be talking about, one of which is if you have like a darker roast of coffee,
सही है.
that is more caffeine.
Okay.
That is an absolute lie.
ये हाँ.
That is not real. Because
Okay.
so I'll tell you the science behind it. जब coffee beans roast होते हैं,
Mm-hmm.
so a darker roast means कि वो ज़्यादा देर roast हुआ है, which means it loses its mass.
Yeah.
So technically, it loses the, I would call it stuff that
Okay.
gives the caffeine, right?
Mm.
So darker roast, even though it tastes bitter and you're like, yeah, I'm getting a good kick, but it
Yeah.
gives you less caffeine.
Oh,
So a lighter roast will give you more caffeine
interesting.
scientifically. Yeah.
I didn't know that, but very interesting.
And the second one is कि a lot of people say कि caffeine आपको dehydrate करती है.
हाँ.
So caffeine,
Yeah.
so or talking about coffee basically,
Yeah.
coffee is like 98 to 97% water.
Okay.
So आप technically अगर आप 10 कप एक साथ पियोगे then yes you will definitely get dehydrated.
सही है.
But if you have like your 1 cup of day in the morning and then another cup of day in the afternoon, and as long as obviously you're drinking water and not just coffee, then
Balancing it out.
you're not getting dehydrated. Like कोई म्याना रबी चाहिए होती है हर
हाँ,
चीज
like
में.
extremism is obviously
Yeah,
bad.
so it's not वो वाली चीज नहीं है.
Makes sense. Completely makes sense. Two interesting, very interesting misconceptions that you have pointed out. Apart from that, what do you think? What makes a coffee good coffee?
So when you have a cup of coffee and you really like it, so I think the first building block is going to be, so there are like a couple of building blocks, but Tetris ka piece, I'll explain it. So number one is obviously the grinder that you're using.
100%.
So the coffee that you drink, तो जितना अच्छा ग्राइंडर होगा
Yeah.
उतनी अच्छी ग्राइंड होगी, उतनी
Yeah.
अच्छी कंसिस्टेंसी आएगी आपके कप
सही
में.
है 100%.
Then the second thing is your equipment that you're using, right?
Same.
If you're dialed in your espresso machine,
Uh-huh.
or even if you're using a V6 or pour
Yeah.
over kit or whatever,
Yeah.
you know, if you're using the best kind of equipment, then you're gonna get a good cup. That's like logic, right? कि अच्छी चीज़ है. And then the third is obviously the beans.
Yeah.
So, to give an analogy, right? Beans in a cup of coffee are equivalent to the tires in a car.
Makes sense. And
ठीक
yeah.
है, अगर आपकी
Yeah,
गाड़ी का
I get it.
टायर खराब होता है या टायर बर्स्ट होता है, आप ये नहीं बोलोगे यार ये सुजुकी वालों की गलती थी. आप बोलोगे यार रोड की गलती थी, या मेरी
हाँ.
गाड़ी के अंदर मैंने टायर में हवा नहीं भरवाई थी. There are a lot of other elements.
क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं थी.
Yeah, a lot of the people jump the gun and they're like, यार नहीं beans खराब थे.
हाँ.
Like it's not just the beans, it's the equipment, it's the grinder, it's the barista actually making the coffee, or a home brewer making the coffee. It's a lot on the person with the skill set using. ये सिर्फ tools हैं.
Yeah.
आप उन्हें कितना अच्छा यूज करते हो ये आपके स्किल्स के
And
ऊपर
then जो outcome है वो आपकी इन सारी चीजों को लेके आता है. It's not just the coffee.
Yeah, it's a cumulative
Yeah.
thing which has a lot of variables with it. It's not just that black
Same.
and white, to be honest.
And for someone like a beginner, how do they pick the right coffee bean? Because we are talking about it.
Yeah, so I think if you're a beginner and you just want to try coffee,
Yeah.
my honest answer is just go for anything. Like अगर आपको कोई एक pouch या if you're on a
Yeah.
website, right, and you see the tasting notes, you're like यार इसमें candied caramel है, chocolate है, and then there is like I don't know like stone fruit or something.
Yeah.
If those sound appealing to you, try it.
Okay.
And I feel like it also depends on the equipment that you have.
हाँ.
So अगर आपको बस let's say French press है,
ठीक
तो
है.
मैं आपको एक blend भी शायद recommend ना करूँ,
ना
या
करो.
मैं आपको एक dark roast नहीं recommend करूँ.
Okay.
If you're a beginners, because आप light coffee try करोगे, then you're gonna build your way up, and then you're gonna be like,
Okay.
अब मेरा taste इतना develop हो गया कि I can go for different
Side
things.
makes sense.
Yeah, that's right.
So now that you have told us about the beans and how to pick good beans as a beginner, I would like to know there's this terminology called specialty coffee. What is it? What's a specialty coffee? होती क्या exactly? And is it something which is genuinely good या फिर ये branding की जाती है?
So to explain specialty coffee, I'll need to explain commercial coffee.
Yeah.
Or commercial coffee beans in other terms.
ठीक है.
So basically, जो स्पेशलिटी का टर्म है वो एक कॉफी बीन को दिया जाता है,
सही है.
जो तब दिया जाता है जब उसकी रेटिंग 80 से ऊपर.
Okay.
So उस कॉफी बीन को टेस्ट किया जाता है on flavor, aroma, texture, all of these things,
सही है.
which then the organization decides कि यार this is a specialty coffee bean. Basically जो
किस रेटिंग के ऊपर?
या तो जो फार्म्स होते हैं वहां पर
सही.
ग्रेडिंग होती है प्रॉपर
जी.
तरीके से, and then they're rated like इसके. तो that's a bean that's like specialty coffee. Anywhere above 80
हाँ.
is specialty coffee.
ठीक है. So basically रेटिंग को किसी भी बीन की स्पेशलिटी कॉफी कहा जाता है अगर वो एक सर्टेन रेटिंग से ऊपर है.
ऊपर हो बिल्कुल या
And that is usually 80 above.
80 above. So आपको
ठीक है.
90 ग्रेडिंग का भी बीन मिलेगा, 92 का भी मिलेगा. अगर आपको 79 का however मिलेगा तो वो फिर एक कमर्शियल कॉफी बीन कहलाया जाएगा. एंड आपके कमर्शियल कॉफी बीन्स यूजुअली यूज होते हैं आपके बिगर फ्रेंचाइज चेन्स में, जैसे कोस्टा कॉफी हो गया, डकिन हो गया, टिम हॉर्टन्स हो गया. These
सही.
people usually use commercial coffee beans, and the difference mainly जो होता है वो ये होता है कि वो robusta beans ज्यादा यूज करते हैं,
Okay.
which is basically grown at a lower altitude,
हम्म.
and it's more bitter, more caffeine. It's
अच्छा.
bitterness ज्यादा होती है
ज्यादा
उसमें,
होती है.
स्पेशली कॉफी के नोट्स होते हैं.
कैफीन ज्यादा आता
Yeah.
है inside से.
क्योंकि जब वो बीन की क्वालिटी बढ़ जाती है तो उसके अंदर आपको डिफरेंट किस्मों के
हाँ.
नोट्स मिलते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट बिटरनेस.
अच्छा.
आपको फ्रूटी भी मिलेगा, आपको फ्लोरल भी मिलेगा,
Oh.
आपको या
So there are a lot of coffee houses जो proper branded like branding में include करते हैं this is a specialty coffee and
Yeah.
they charge for it obviously if
yes,
possible.
बिल्कुल.
So do you think कौन सी better होती है? Is it the general one or the specialty one?
I would say it depends on neither. I feel like it depends on the person making the coffee.
अच्छा.
Yeah, it comes down. You can have specialty coffee and still butcher the coffee.
अच्छा, makes sense.
You can have a
You can
specialty
make it
coffee
really
bean,
baggy.
yeah, and you can just butcher the coffee because
हाँ.
you're like यार मेरी जो स्किल में लैक कर रहे हैं वो बीन कवर अप कर लेगा, लेकिन ऐसा होता
ऐसा
नहीं
होता
है.
नहीं.
The skill always speaks volumes, the experience always speaks volumes. So you can have like a commercial coffee bean or like a pouch of commercial coffee
अच्छा,
beans.
does it also क्या कहते हैं very जैसे एक तो आपने बताया कि बीन की क्वालिटी रेटिंग के ऊपर वेरी करती है.
Yeah.
Does it also vary place to place? क्योंकि जब स्पेशलिटी कॉफी वर्ड आता है तो मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग में आता है maybe it's from some specific area. So
Okay.
is it that way या फिर नहीं?
So basically specialty coffee beans जो prefer होते हैं they're grown at like higher altitude.
अच्छा.
तो जो हायर एल्टीट्यूड्स पे होते हैं उनकी पिकिंग भी बड़ी केयरफुल होती है, सो उसका प्रोसेस फ्रॉम द चेरी टू द बीन टू उसको वॉश करना एंड या whatever process it's डालना, it's a very careful process because the more careful they are with the cherry plant, the more better the or the better the coffee bean is going to be
ठीक है
at the end basically.
अंडरस्टैंडेबल चलो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टेलिंग अस कॉफी अगेन सो मच डिटेल
Yeah.
एंड अब हम थोड़ा सा मूव करेंगे कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर जो कॉफी की एक परसेप्शन है एंड कहाँ पे इट्स गोइंग टू गो इन फ्यूचर लेट्स डिस्कस ऑन दैट
Yeah.
सो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर दैट वुड बी सो कराची एंड पाकिस्तान इन स्पेसिफिक अगर देखा जाए तो जो ओवरऑल कल्चर है कॉफी कल्चर वो ओवर द टाइम 5 to 7 years में काफी इवॉल्व हुआ है
Yeah.
सो व्हाट वर द रीजनिंग इन योर ओपिनियन
Yeah, basically what I would say is that it's a time thing. It's the duration of the time जो हुई है, like even if
या
you look globally, right?
या
Initially जब किसी market के अंदर, especially South Asian markets में जब
हाँ
coffee introduce हुई है,
सही है
it takes time for people to adapt to the coffee.
ओके
So in the past 5 to 7 years, what I would say is that a lot of coffee shops or owners try to have good coffee.
सही है
They try to take risks with their businesses.
सही है
Initially, you know, like if you're like a restaurant, right?
हम्म
You wouldn't care too much about the coffee. You'd be like, yeah, you know, मेरा side piece है, मेरा main is like the food.
हम्म
But now people are becoming more knowledgeable about coffee and they understand the power or pull of coffee
या
that can get in customers, you know, and
मेक
big,
सेंस
give you like big business.
हम्म
So in those 5 to 7 years, even in Karachi and Lahore, a lot of these entrepreneurs
या
tried to take leaps
या
and they wanted to learn about coffee. And once they learned
या
coffee, then they wanted to open up a coffee shop and
मेक
then
सेंस
give the same experience or their idea of coffee to the
कॉफी टू द
customers. Yeah,
कस्टमर्स
so it was
जब
just
एक डिमांड आ रही है तो दे आर आल्सो रेसिप्रोकेटिंग इट विद
yeah.
अमाउंट ऑफ सप्लायर्स
It's that, and also I would say like people like me and you, general
या
public, are also gaining a lot of information online about
या
coffee.
आई
So
या
and then they demand that sort of level from a
या
cafe or a
मेक
coffee
सेंस
shop. So then they have to adapt
एंड वी
accordingly.
शुड नेवर फॉरगेट द एडवांटेज लाइक एक प्रोडक्टिविटी वाला तो है ही ना लाइक रात में अगर कोई बैठ के पढ़ाई कर रहा है या कोई किसी को लेट नाइट
Yeah,
मैटर्स काम वगैरह करना है तो पीपल गो फॉर व्हाट लाइक कैफे
बिल्कुल.
पहले चाय होती थी कहीं से बोर्ड नाउ इट्स कॉफी
Yeah,
टेस्ट अच्छा होने लगा है इन सारी चीजें
yeah,
अवेलेबिलिटी
बिल्कुल.
है उसकी काफी इजीली मिल जाती है मेक
Absolutely.
सेंस एंड नाउ दैट वी आर ऑन दिस टॉपिक आई वुड लाइक टू अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाई आर द देयर आर सो मेनी कॉफी शॉप्स ओपनिंग रिसेंटली
Yeah,
राइट यू हैव सीन इट
yeah, yeah.
सो व्हाट्स द रीजन कि कॉफी शॉप्स खुल भी बहुत सारी नहीं है लेकिन बंद भी हो जाती हैं सो व्हाई इज दैट
Yeah, that's a very like that's a mixed answer because so basically coffee shops will rate was a lot of business owners or
Yeah.
entrepreneurs are like, you know, I this is my take on coffee.
Yeah.
This is my
बिल्कुल
personality and this is my coffee shop. And that's great.
Yeah.
That's why there are a lot of coffee shops opening up.
Yeah.
A lot of people are believing in themselves, and that's amazing. That's a
Yeah,
good thing that always flourishes the industry
makes
more.
sense
But what's happening is a lot of the people are also cutting out on the basics.
okay
So let's say अगर एक barista की training है या एक barista की growth है, a lot of the coffee shop owners won't do that because
अच्छा
they'd be afraid कि ये भाग ना जाए.
ठीक है
So they're not going to invest that in the barista कि वो सीख ले.
सही है
Because the better the barista is, the better the coffee is.
makes sense
So and when the owners or these entrepreneurs don't focus on the basics, what tends to happen is that the quality of the coffee decreases. The taste drops, or the milk texture isn't right, or there's some issue with coffee and then they can't resolve it because they don't have the information to challenge the roastery or challenge
अच्छा
anyone
वो
else.
नॉलेज नहीं है उनके पास सेकेंडली वो दे आर नॉट गेटिंग दैट वन थिंग राइट मे बी जो इनको चाहिए
The
होती है
basics, basic.
बेसिक्स बेसिक्स
मतलब एक अगर analogy दूं से you're dealing with like a graphics designer,
Yeah.
right? अगर आपको खुद graphics designing नहीं आएगी, आप उसे पकड़ नहीं सकोगे कभी.
यस
तो एक ओनर को कॉफी के बारे में
खुद की नॉलेज
होनी चाहिए so that they can catch their own baristas
100%
and be like, oh, अच्छा इसको training की जरूरत है या whatever attitude, whatever it is. But yeah, that's what I would say.
So, what do you think is that one thing which the coffee owners, you know, I mean, coffee shops, Kolini are getting it wrong?
I would say it comes down to, like I said, the basics. So
Yeah.
these coffee shop owners, I feel like they should invest more in these baristas, you know,
Acha.
and give them the tools to learn more, to explore more, to be able to feel proud in their
Yeah.
position and be like, hey, they are the final point जब customer को interaction हो रही है,
Yeah.
तो इसको हम बेहतर कर लेंगे,
Yeah.
तो हमारा game A to like
See,
C does.
just providing the thing is not the thing. Proper experience and quality देना उसके साथ should be there. Because जब
बिल्कुल.
इतना competition आ जाता है आपके
Yeah.
market के अंदर,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
need to be the best, and for that आपकी knowledge and basis बिल्कुल perfect होनी चाहिए.
Yeah, yeah.
Completely agree, 100%. Just so my last question right now is कि where do you see this coffee culture, coffee trend, and what's happening in this coffee industry going in the next 3 years?
To be honest, I feel like you mentioned a lot of coffee shops closing down. I feel like there's going to be a lot more coffee
A
shops
lot
closing
more.
down.
Okay.
In the coming 3 years, there's going to be a lot more coffee shops closing down, and only a few will remain who are actually authentic with their business and
Okay.
they're
Quality.
providing those right values
Okay.
to their team, to the customers, and वो चीज transcend करती है फिर when the customer experience करता है, they're like, you know what, I want to go to this place. I want to
Makes
stick to
sense.
this.
Makes
Yeah.
sense. So introduction में you also mentioned that Nomad is specifically has a niche which is basically specialty coffee जो हमने अभी काफी डिटेल में डिस्कस भी की है. So for the people, तुम लोगों ने ट्रस्ट ये कैसे बिल्ड किया around specialty coffee specifically when people do not understand this so much?
Yeah, so that's very interesting because so you see in normal markets,
Yeah.
what happens is कि पहले commercial coffee आती है
Yeah.
and then specialty coffee आती है.
Yes.
But the opposite sort of happened here.
Okay.
What happened was कि specialty coffee came first
Yes.
and then commercial coffee brands such as Costa Coffee, Tim Hortons, Dunkin' Donuts,
Okay.
they came in after.
ठीक है.
So it is a very hard thing to communicate to people or to build that sort of like trust to like we are actually selling specialty coffee. That's why we are very transparent from where we get our beans from.
अच्छा.
So the one of the traits about Nomad is that we have direct trade partnerships.
अच्छा.
What that means is कि हमारे जो partners हैं जो हमें
Yeah.
green coffee भिजवाते हैं,
Yeah.
वो हमारे connections direct farms से हैं.
Okay.
So there is no middleman in Dubai sending us the coffee beans. कि यार Brazilian भिजवा दो, तो he's like अच्छा मैं Brazilian भिजवा.
Okay.
We have direct connections with farms in Brazil.
अच्छा.
So हमारे partners are like Faf Coffees that they are in Brazil.
ठीक है.
Then there's Coffee Net जो
ठीक है.
Colombia में है.
सही है.
Then there's Adina Coffee जो Indonesia में है.
जबरदस्त.
So-
इनके साथ तुम लोग directly connected.
So we're directly connected
Okay.
to these guys. So when there is like let's say a hazard in the field, right?
Yeah.
तो हमें सबसे पहले पता चल जाता है.
अच्छा.
We understand कि अच्छा prices surge करेंगे.
Interesting. हाँ.
So basically, we have that knowledge as well because we have direct trade with these partners. So the only way to basically gain our customers' trust is to show them that we are actually very transparent. You can go to Adina Coffee ka Instagram and see they support us and equally we support them because they have built a very real bond with us.
Credibility build कर लिए basically
बिल्कुल.
तुम लोगों ने इसके around.
And yeah, and even globally, that's how you trust like a coffee shop or a coffee roaster if they're transparent with their partners.
Makes
to
sense. Makes sense.
Give them the basic raw material.
Now that you've mentioned that, a nice question pops in my mind. कि how does one build a loyal customer? Like, what's the secret?
So with Nomad, I feel like loyalty comes in like multiple ways. I think number one is that we consistently give them good coffee beans.
Yeah.
So they always know what to expect.
Okay.
So once we have set that standard, okay, you know, we're gonna get a good cup of or a good bag of beans. They're
Yeah.
gonna be like, you know what, I trust these guys.
Yeah.
There's variability बहुत कम है.
Uh-huh.
And then after that comes our prompt, you know, after sales services.
Yeah.
हमारी टीम में ज़ीशान होते हैं, वो e-commerce को देखते हैं. He connects with all the customers. कोई issue आता है. So we're not saying we're 100% like हमें सब सही है, but when there are issues, right, तो होते हैं.
Solve भी करते हो.
तो हम उनको promptly we own the problem and then we fix it. We don't just be like, oh, we don't know, you know, we got the beans. That's not.
Trusting.
Yeah, so that's how we build our loyalty with our.
Makes sense क्योंकि definitely if I go to a coffee shop, I do not want to have a different experience every time.
Yeah.
एक दफा मुझे अच्छा लगा, I would want to have the same thing again.
Absolutely.
So if the variability keeps on happening, तो वो भी एक आपका mistrust and loyalty को destroy
बिल्कुल.
करती है 100%. So moving to my next question in the same segment, how do you bring a differentiation for a premium product in a price sensitive market?
Yeah, so I think that is a very tedious and time-taking process. So if you even look at Nomad
Yeah.
start, our Faisal Shamskan, our CEO and head roaster, basically started back in like 2017, 2018. So if you notice the timeline, right, आपने कहा था 5 से 7 साल पहले का trend में क्या हुआ है ऐसा?
ऐसा क्या हुआ है?
So वो हुआ यही है कि a lot of these credible roasters, like we're one of them, and so ये लोग market में आए हैं and they've informed the customers, they've given the knowledge to be like, you know,
Right.
this is what's actually happening.
Makes sense.
This is how it should be. It's going to be
Okay.
costly. or maybe not for you, but it's going to give you the right amount
Yeah.
of kick that you need.
Okay.
That maybe the instant coffee doesn't give you.
So जो पीछे से एक बुनियाद बनाते हुए
बिल्कुल।
आना, so that basically has helped a lot in
Yes.
premium brands to now work it price
Yeah, like
sensitive markets.
just if you imagine like
Yeah,
आज से 5 साल पहले 2020 में if you would be like कि यार 3,000 का कॉफी बीन्स का पाउच ले लो, the person would be like
Oh,
नहीं
yeah,
मैं
makes
मैं
sense.
instant कॉफी ले लेता हूँ.
Yes.
But now people would be like, oh 3,000 का पाउच, I want to try it and
They are
see.
interested to experience that. जैसे
Yeah.
matchas के साथ I would say
Exactly,
what's
yeah.
happening.
Yeah.
Like matcha is super expensive, but people are in. A lot of people do not like the
The
flavor,
taste of
very
it.
honestly, right?
बिल्कुल.
लेकिन people are really in to explore the experience. Right?
Yeah, there's
So वो I think वही जो तुम्हारी वाली बात है कि पीछे से पूरा उन्होंने वो एक बैक बिल्डिंग बुनियाद
time लगता
बनाई
है.
है
Yeah,
उसकी.
yeah.
So make completely makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, so जैसे अभी तुमने recently हमें बताया था that how Momet sources its beans, right? Like तुम लोग की sourcing कहाँ से होती है वगैरह. So we will be deep diving into this technical storytelling of this whole system and everything.
Yeah.
So can you explain to us कि why the single origin beans जो होती हैं वो इतनी बड़ी big deal होती है? And also for the people who do not know what single origin beans are, what they are.
So single origin bean is exactly what it says. It's
Okay.
like it's a single origin coffee.
Okay.
Basically, what that means is that you're getting a Colombian coffee bean, you're getting a Brazilian coffee bean.
Specific area की.
So it specifically a country की,
हाँ,
एक region की,
ठीक
even
है.
a farm की exact आपको coffee मिलेगी.
That is called
Single origin. So single origin की hype इसलिए होती है because it's like,
why it's a big deal.
so imagine like you're having a cup of coffee, right? And someone tells you ये beans Ethiopia के हैं. So you're technically getting Ethiopia. मतलब जो वो काम Ethiopia में हुआ था, उसका अजर आपको अभी मिला. So it gives you a very premium feeling, you know, like oh single. But what people fail to realize is for if you're in a coffee shop, right?
Yeah.
Coffee shops should more be focusing on, if they're making espressos, more focusing on blends instead of single origin.
ऐसे ही है.
तो सिंगल ओरिजिन कॉफी की जो डाउन साइड होती है वो ये होती है वो आपके पास 6 महीने है एंड देन नहीं है.
अच्छा.
बट विद अ ब्लेंड, बिकॉज वो एक हाउस ब्लेंड होता है या
हाँ.
आपकी ग्रोसरी खुद बनाती है,
Yeah.
वो आप हमेशा आपको 24/7
Available होती है.
12 months in a
Makes
year आपको
sense.
मिलती रहती है.
Consistency होती है. And when it comes to roasting the beans, how
Yeah.
much do you think it impacts the final flavor?
So I think the roasting impacts a lot. Like it is everything in the coffee that you drink. You can get coffee beans from a lot of regions. You
Yes,
can आपको कहीं से भी मिल सकती है. But the actual craft is the roasting.
It's the roasting part.
Yeah, so अब roasting की भी different profiles होती हैं. Like there's light roast, जैसे मैंने बताया ज़्यादा caffeine. Medium roast होता है, which is like you can make it darker and lighter. इसको हम omni roast भी कहते हैं.
सही है.
And then the last is dark roast, जो bitter
सही है.
coffee आपको मिलती है, जो कुछ लोगों को dark coffee
सही
चाहिए होती है, like
Okay.
taste उनको बहुत
Taste,
bitter.
हाँ, सही है.
Yeah. So roasting is everything in
हाँ.
like in a cup of coffee. You know, it defines everything in the bean, in the cup. And वो जो हमारे roasters होते हैं, उनकी skill होती है, उनका skill set होता है, उनका art होता है, जो उस roast को different करते हैं.
अच्छा.
And then आपको इतने नए नए किस्मों के flavors आ रहे हैं.
Flavors आते हैं. So
Yeah.
roasting is the main key. अगर आपने वो ऊपर नीचे कर दी तो the whole process gets
Yeah.
messed up. So coming to my last question, there are a lot of people जो सही है, काफी लोग प्रेफर करते हैं जाके कॉफी शॉप से ले लिए सारी चीजें, but there are a lot of people काफी चाहते हैं जो घर पे खुद बना रहे हैं, right? So what do you think is that one thing that the home brew beginners जिन्होंने बनाना शुरू किया वो
Yeah.
गलत कर रहे हैं, like जब भी उनकी कॉफी में वो बात नहीं आ रही.
Yeah, honestly, I myself am a home brewer, right?
Okay.
तो मैं खुद भी अपने बनाता हूँ कप,
Yeah.
एंड मुझे अपना कप ऑफ कॉफी कभी अच्छा नहीं लगता क्योंकि मेरे स्टैंडर्ड्स अब ऐसे सेट हो गए कि मैं वो
You
जितना
have drank so much different coffee.
Yeah, but if I have to be honest, I feel like
Yeah.
if you're a home brewer, right?
Yeah.
Because when you buy a bag of beans and you make the coffee and then it doesn't turn out well, you're like, यार मैंने ज़ाया कर दी है
सही है.
18 ग्राम की कॉफी या 20 ग्राम की कॉफी.
हम्म.
Honestly, I would say is practice and patience.
सही है.
I-
And
yeah.
knowledge.
हाँ, like knowledge as well, yes. So I think practice makes perfect. I think आपका cup
Yeah.
of coffee बेहतर होता है जब आप continuously बनाते रहते हो, daily अगर आप बना रहे हो, right? If you make it once a week and then you're like यार अच्छी कॉफी नहीं बन रही, then
Yeah.
obviously अच्छी नहीं बनेगी. आपने हफ्ते में 1 दफा बनाई है, आप इस महीने में 4 दफा बनाई है.
So we practice जितनी करते रहेंगे.
Yeah, so and I feel like a lot of the home brewers, from what I know, are very strict on themselves.
Okay.
Because if they have good coffee in like a cafe, they're like मुझे यही घर पे बनानी है, but वो कभी बनती नहीं है.
The same thing which our moms do कि जब वो किसी restaurant जाते हैं they try to implement the same food at home, but
Yeah.
उसके बाद कैफे वाली चीज
वो
आएगी.
नहीं बनती तो वो और वो so you don't need to be that hard on yourself.
Yeah.
You know, give yourself time,
Hmm.
patience, practice it slowly,
Yeah.
then learn from the
Yeah.
internet. And I mean, um, Yeah, I think Nomad is going to be doing a lot of trainings in the future
So yeah,
for such home brewers जिनको सीखना है मेरी
सीखना है,
तरह के जिनको अपनी
they can
skill
come
में
for these training
yeah
sessions.
बिल्कुल so we're going to be doing that
100%. And do you think कि जैसे home brewers के लिए it's also important to know the kind of machine that they have, which beans and the coffee complements it?
yes
That's very important
बिल्कुल
as well.
absolutely
So वही knowledge वाले part में आ जाते हैं, know your machine and know your beans as well जो आप source कर रहे हो जिस तरह भी कर रहे हो. I think that combination, getting those things right can help them out.
absolutely
So now moving towards our other segment, which is basically we will be talking a little bit more about the coffee business in general. And my first question for that would be, okay, so what's the actual cost that you might say कि एक good coffee shop को start करने में लगती है?
So there are obviously some fixed costs that are attached to opening up a good coffee shop. Number one is going to be the space that you rent out or
Yeah.
buy. Then there is going to be the utilities, जिसके अंदर आपका water supply, then the right RO plant. You know, coffee is all about the water that you use, and
Yeah.
you need to have a good filter system for that. Then comes the machines, and then obviously like a great grinder,
Yeah.
good pour over equipment, and at the end like good beans. You know,
Makes sense.
those are some of the basic costs, but
Yeah.
obviously उसके अंदर फिर आपके baristas भी आते हैं, and then your branch managers and all of that. Those
And multiple other costs.
Yeah,
also. So there's no specific figure that you can per se say.
yeah, no, it
Yeah.
all varies from area to area,
Yeah.
country to country, region
Makes
to
sense.
region, to be honest.
And do you think जो सारे coffee cafes खुल रहे हैं ये profitable होते हैं या usually as a passion project खुल रहा होता है?
So the business models that are running for a longer time are usually more where they have streamlined and perfected the system in a way that the business is actually making money
Yeah.
for them to reinvest in the
Yes.
business. But where it's you would say there's a lack of quality in the sense that coffee अच्छी नहीं है, ambience इतना अच्छा नहीं है, most of them are passion projects. It all comes down to the owner, to be honest, which direction they want to take. If they want to keep it as a side business, which a lot of people do,
Yeah.
then it's going to be a passion project.
Uh-huh.
But there are people who go 100% into
Into it,
business,
yeah.
then they make profit, and it's
It's profitable as well as being a passion project
Yeah,
as well.
absolutely.
So that's why I probably think जो मेरा पहला सवाल था कि इतने सारे खुल रहे हैं और फिर इतने सारे बंद हो जाते हैं. The main reason, main नहीं, but one of the reasons could be this as well.
Yeah.
So an interesting सवाल क्योंकि हमने baristas की ऊपर भी बात करी. So do you think कि the return on investment that you get through investing in a barista or a coffee machine, which is more?
I feel like it's I, to be honest, feel like it's a 70-30 split. I feel like
Okay.
70% is going to be the barista and 30% is
Okay.
going to be the machine.
So it's majorly having a nice, good barista.
Yeah, so it's basically the skill set you develop in the barista.
Yeah.
If you have a good barista, he can make any coffee machine work. He can make any coffee machine make you a good cup of coffee. Like, and if you don't invest in the barista and you get like a very fancy machine, like 1 crore, 2 crore ki, but the person running the machine doesn't know what they're doing,
Yeah.
then
There's no point.
yeah, then it's like, putting a person who knows how to drive a car, but on a bike and being like, bike चलाओ, वो नहीं चलाएगा, तो उसको नहीं चलाना आता.
सही नहीं चलाएगा अगर सीख भी लेता है तो there's going to be
And then accidents होंगे, and then, it's basically like the business runs into these bottlenecks where they
Yeah.
can't get out because they don't
Makes
have the
sense.
skill set.
So now that we have talked about all of this, people who actually want to start their own thing, like the beginners in this field and this industry, can you tell them what should be their first thing to invest in coffee shop?
So I think it's a two-pronged approach. I would say number one would be that they should themselves learn about coffee.
Okay.
They should themselves learn about the equipment and what suits what their project is about.
Yeah.
And then the second thing would be the people that they get on board. So
Yeah.
आपका branch manager हो गया, they should have the same language as you. They should have the same passion as you. So baristas की training is again a very important element in this. And जब आपको knowledge होगी तो आप अपने barista को भी knowledge दे सकते हो. So better than going to a website and learning, it's better अगर आपको खुद पता हो.
Yeah.
क्योंकि obviously these trainings are available in English language, and ये जो courses हैं ये English language में. So a lot of people have that communication gap. But जब coffee owner खुद learn कर सकता है वो अपनी जबान में सिखा भी सकता है. And if I'm going to be honest, Nomad is going to be having a lot more trainings in that. जब हम अपनी local जबान में जब लोगों को समझा रहे होंगे baristas
वो
को,
ज़्यादा effective
तो उन्हें वो ज़्यादा अच्छा समझ आएगा बनिस्बत एक Thank you.
100%. आई थिंक यही एक काफी अच्छा फैक्टर है नोमैड के बारे में भी कि दैट दे आर अपार्ट फ्रॉम द कॉफी बिजनेस दे आर आल्सो डूइंग दिस ट्रेनिंग्स व्हिच इज स्टेप मेक देम एस्टेब्लिश्ड ऑलरेडी इन द बिजनेस सो मच एंड इंशाल्लाह आगे भी बहुत ज्यादा उनको लेके जाएगा.
Yeah.
So moving towards my next segment, which is basically we have discussed so much about the coffee and the industry and सारी जो चीजें required होती हैं. We have gone into the technical things as well. Now I would be interested to know more about you being a brand manager to a company like Nomad. So हमें थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में बताएं कि what क्या कहते हैं really a brand manager in this industry really do a day in the life of Faraz अगर हमें पता चल सकती है.
So that's an interesting question because I mean, a brand manager in a coffee Nomad Coffee Studio is very different than a brand manager in any other company.
Really?
Basic, even if it's a food and beverage industry, right?
अच्छा why that?
So what happens usually in other companies, food and beverage specifically, is if you're marketing, then you're looking at specifically marketing, or if you're a brand manager, you're looking specifically at brand management,
सही है.
right? आप उसकी digital presence देख रहे हो, आप उसकी out of home presence देख रहे हो,
सही
all
है.
of that stuff.
हम्म.
But with me, because I love coffee, I go into other departments and I learn a little bit from them as well. So
सही है.
my favorite place is to actually hang out in here, which is the lab.
Okay.
यहाँ पर हम रोज सुबह आते हैं, हमारी barista की टीम आती है, and then they uh, extract an espresso shot. You know, they need to
सही है.
dial in the espresso in the morning,
Okay.
or they make the coffee in the morning to see
Yeah.
the beans. R&D होती है, QC होता है,
Okay. Okay.
a lot of that stuff. So I am the person who's always like, even though मेरा काम नहीं, but I'm like here to learn because I love coffee that much that I want to be a part of it from the morning till the end. So a day in my life starts with coffee. I come here, I have a cup of coffee, I do work, I coordinate with people, then I have my lunch,
Okay.
then I have more coffee, then I discuss future plannings, हमें क्या करना है, क्या हम already कर रहे हैं, किस तरह चीज़ों को बेहतर कर सकते हैं,
सही है.
in terms of branding, in terms of any pop-up that we're going to do, anything like that. And then at the end of the day, I have more coffee and then I go home.
Isn't it too much coffee?
I mean, yes, it is a lot of coffee.
Hazard भी तो हो सकता है ये.
Yeah, but I drink a lot of water alongside it, and
So balance कर लीजिए.
yeah, and I try to keep a healthy
Lifestyle as well.
yeah.
Makes sense. And of course, like when you're working, तुम्हारी जो भी designation है उसके अलावा जो भी कर रहे हो, if you have a better understanding and knowledge of the brand, you would be able to better market it as well.
Exactly.
Right? That's majorly the point.
The-
And I
yeah.
also feel like it varies person to person because you are willing to give that time and that interest to knowing other things about it. And I think everybody should do that as well. They should not just fixate on what their role is. They should explore more. They should try to know more about their company so that they are more invested in it, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
So now that we've established that, I would like to know कि इस industry के अंदर, इस field के अंदर, what are the skills which are required to succeed?
So I think the first thing is just owning your work.
Okay.
Like if you're working on a project, just own it from A to Z. Don't be like कि मेरा part ये था and then बाकी दूसरा team देखेगी. No, that's not how it works. At least not in my philosophy. I don't think that's how it works. For me, you have to own the business and you have to own your segment. So agar my marketing, even though I'm just the brand manager, but so in my mind I tell myself okay, if this was my business, this is how I would do it.
Say from a CEO's point of view.
Yeah, or from like a CEO, operational, all of those.
Okay,
So
everyone's point of view.
yeah, I have to put on different caps to be like, okay, what actually works in this project, let's say.
Say
So the basic is always going to be कि अपने mentally आपने अपने आप को
capacity रखें.
capacity रखें and just be honest and truthful. Like you know, you need to be like कि ये आपको business है, आप इसको कैसे लेके चलोगे.
Yeah.
जब आप इस mindset में आते हो ना, you can look at every small detail that can improve or make or break that entire project. So that's how I function. That's what I would even say is
You're right, 100%. And do you think this industry and this field is more specific to like people who are more passionate about making coffees and these things, or is it something which anyone can learn and do it as well?
So I guess all types of people exist. I think that's just a given fact. Even
That's
if food and beverage or corporate or
हाँ,
कुछ भी हो, you know, people will do their job and then they'll go home. But I feel like if your passion is involved or if your goals are involved or your mindset is more towards what you're doing, then I feel like you will succeed no matter what. Like no, nothing can stop you. If you love what you're doing, that's the saying, right? If you love what you're doing, you're never gonna work a day in your life.
Yes, sir.
That's sort of what I'm living right now.
100% agree.
So I come here, I have coffee, I do R&D, I learn more about coffee, and It's never like I will know everything. You know,
Yeah,
there's so many things I need to learn.
you
I'm
keep
so
learning every day.
and I'm so excited to learn. You know,
Of course.
so
So you need to have that mindset.
yeah, it's all about you need to love what you're doing, and then you'll learn more than what you're
So
supposed to.
people who do not have the passion or even पहले से उनको ना भी knowledge है,
Yeah,
they
yeah.
can always learn and come in the industry. It's person to person very good. I completely agree with you.
Mm.
And I think that's a really good advice to Faraz ne diya to anyone who wants to come into foods and beverages की industry
Yeah.
के अंदर, to have a versatile and open mindset towards it.
Mm.
कि आप सीखने की तरफ जाओ ज़्यादा.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for that, Faraz. And overall, I think हमारा जो discussion रहा है वो काफी interesting and intense रहा है. So I will be having a little fun segment with you, which is basically like a rapid fire, but
All
not
right.
entirely. I will be asking you certain questions. You just have to say if that's a truth or a lie.
All right.
सही है? So let's
Sounds
get
good.
into it. Are you ready for the segment?
Yeah, yeah, I'm ready.
ठीक है. So मेरा पहला सवाल है, lattes are the worst drink to order during rush hours. Truth or lie?
I think it depends on the barista, but I would mostly say it's a lie.
It's a lie.
Yeah, I think it depends on.
And Arabs roast better coffee than South Americans.
Ah, I have no idea. I have no answer.
You haven't tasted.
Yeah, I have no. I can't actually give an
Okay,
right
makes sense.
answer.
Fair, fair.
Yeah,
Okay. Is the coffee addiction real or exaggerated?
I think it's definitely real.
Why do you think that?
I feel like it gives you a kick that is legal,
Okay.
and you know it gives you a kick, and your brain just goes places, and you feel
Yeah.
like you can do so many things. Like जब मैं instant coffee पीता था back in the day, and O levels or university के time पे, when I used to have like more caffeine, I could feel like I could run through a wall, and I would believe that.
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
अगर मैं चाहूँ मैं दीवार फाड़ सकता हूँ.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
And instant
hence,
आपको pump दे देती है अगर आप sleepy हो या जिस तरह
Yeah.
को if you want to do something, so it makes you focus
Yeah, yeah.
better.
hence addiction is real. Yes.
Okay, coming to my second question. One coffee flavor note you think people pretend to taste?
So I feel like this is a new in the entire flavor wheel as well. The
Yeah.
flavor profile of umami,
Umami.
which is like an earthy flavor.
Yeah.
And वो coffee में भी होता है, but
Yeah.
a lot of people will pretend to be like कि वो मुझे जब उन्हें समझ नहीं आता तो कहते हैं हाँ मुझे umami का flavor आ रहा है. So that's I think one of the things.
Makes sense. So the last question of this segment is one cafe trend that needs to end.
I feel like a lot of coffee shops are delving into matcha,
Yeah.
which is okay, but you're a coffee shop, right? Don't just follow trends because they're trendy. Do what works. If you're a coffee shop, then you should work on your coffee. आपकी coffee बुरी होगी लेकिन आप matcha सिर्फ एक रखने के लिए रख रहे हो, that's you're defeating the point. So I would say one cafe trend right now would be for coffee shops to not focus on matcha
So much.
so much.
Yeah.
Just have it as a add-on, and
Yeah.
if people like it,
Then bring it in the main menu. I
then
think.
people like it.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
That's a good take on it. Thank you for this segment, and thank you so much for taking out the time and coming today and making me do this. I will add one more thing. We are currently doing this podcast in the warehouse in the roastery जहाँ पे coffee बन रही है live.
Yeah.
So that's why probably जो बीच में अगर आपको कोई आवाज आई होगी तो वो coffee beans हमारी होंगी, right?
Yeah, yeah, बिल्कुल, absolutely, yeah.
So, but like, really thankful for you to actually give us so much knowledge about this industry and doing this with me. And I would really like you to give one message, one good offering that you can do for the aspiring coffee creators, coffee owners, and coffee lovers.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like to all those, that's a vast group of people, but if I were to give one piece of advice, I would be to keep coffee in the middle and work around that.
Mm.
Don't go the other way around. Don't be like, if I'm more viral, to meri coffee bikegi.
Okay.
If you put coffee in the center, everything works its
Yeah.
way. Like that's how I've seen it work
Mhm.
for different coffee shops that are doing really well. Lahore mein Double Shot, for example, they're doing really well because they focus on the basics and they keep
Okay.
coffee and education in the center,
Sahi hai.
and that's what makes the business grow. So a lot of these coffee shop owners and upcoming entrepreneurs, or if anyone wants to open a
Mhm.
coffee shop, my aim would be keep coffee in the middle,
Yeah.
keep coffee education in the middle, and there's no way you can go wrong.
That's an amazing advice, and I hope आप सबको इसकी podcast से बहुत help मिली हो, the things that Faraz has told us today. So Faraz, towards the end of the segment and the whole conversation, I usually make everyone do this. We will look in the camera, and हम दोनों ने मिलके यूं करके बोलना है, keep watching One on One by TV.
All right.
You got it?
Yeah, yeah.
So let's do it. 1, 2, 3.
Keep watching One on One by TV.